Hey y'all, I'm heading to the beach. It was a little bit late in the day and I was on the fence about going, but I decided to pack my bags and head to the beach because that's what I wanted to do. I am going to Orchard Beach in the Bronx in New York City, and this beach still has a pretty bad rep. I understand it was really unkept and unclean and infamous back in the 70s, 80s, early 90s, but the New York City Parks Department has really done a lot of work on Orchard Beach. I find this to be a great beach and I love going here. It's close to my home. I can get there pretty quickly and enjoy a day at the beach. These blue runners on the sand are actually really, really helpful. I do have my granny card, so I'm rolling my chair and my food and my books. And this is a great feature for that. I don't have to drag it over the sand. It makes it really easy to get to a spot. Now, this particular part of the beach where I am, there are no lifeguards here, so there's no swimming. So you have the parks department staff making sure that everybody is safe and out of the water. Like, you can't even put your feet in the water at this end of the beach because there's no lifeguards. And I actually like it because there are not as many people at this side of the beach, and I get to enjoy having less people around and just relaxing.